So welcome back to our second video, helping Anna. So if you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you've now got all the 5 pages with all the relevant content and looking really good, and it works and you've tested it. If you haven't got that, you need to go back to video 1 and complete that and use the data in here or the information here to pick and choose to make that website full of products. So if you have done video 1, we're now going to have a look at some sort of more advanced sort of things. Okay, so what Anna's put on the 3rd page of this document, it says here extra page and other features. Okay, and it's got 2 things in the main. It's got a media page. So it says here, if you have time, could I have a new page called media that appears after ethical? Have a new page called media. So what we do is she wants a page sort of here called media. So what can we do? Well, we're actually going to clone the home page. Okay, so we're going to clone that. Okay, and then we're going to move that down. We're going to call this. So if you see that little red, you don't want that one because you can create page hierarchies. And we're going to rename this one page properties, and we're going to call it media. Okay, that's what she wants it called, media. And what media means for companies is particularly things like news or events or stories about them in the news or how they communicate on video or social media or wherever. So press OK. So now we've got the media page, and we double click on that, we've got that. So let's just get rid of some of this. We don't need her picture again. We've also got another page in our menu. Can you see that? And I've just remembered, I should have told you. If you go back to the master page, you notice her picture's gone a bit wonky. So we go back to master page, double click on that. And if we just maybe reduce that in size like that, then every page will have the update, you see? So go back to media. So, and it says, let's put the title media. Now, I seem to remember that on here she wanted, can I have the text? I'm also very keen to, okay, so let's get that text in there. So we can get rid of that. Paste that in there. Oh, that's the wrong font, so we want Georgia, don't we? There we go, Georgia. And we can probably put that up like that. Let's check it was the right one. Georgia was it? It was Georgia. Where's that Verdana? Okay, I got a bit of I didn't check. Between you and me, I didn't check that every bit of text is the right font. So we need to make sure everything is the right font. So for me, that's Georgia 12. That's that bit. Okay. So I'm also very share these fair trade and ethical videos to all my customers and suppliers. Okay. So what is she saying here? Okay. Insert the 2 videos called Video 1 Fair Trade and Video 2 Ethical. Now, those videos are actually on the P drive when you downloaded them, so they're here. Okay. So how do we get those videos in here? And this is quite a cool feature of WYSIWYG editors. So we're going to create, put 2 videos in here. So let's go insert, media, video. Okay, from a file, and the file we know is in the P drive. So where's the P drive? P drive. There we are. Computing and business. Mr. Carter. Computing. Key stage 3, website, and the video 1. Okay. Now on this bit it says video, embed the video in the site. Yeah, we want that, and we want something called inline, which basically means is you'll see the video there, like in a preview mode, and then you can click play. So press OK, and then you'll get a little plus. Press plus, and you don't see anything at the moment, but if we just move that into position, okay, how do you actually see it? Okay, well, what we do is we'll make sure you save your page first, Control S, Okay, always best to do that. Go to here, preview site in Google. So this is going to be on our media page. Okay, go to media. Okay. And I didn't actually want that. I wanted it to be able to resize. So if we go back to here, let's go back. What have I forgotten to do? Should be able to make it a little bit bigger. Start video. We don't want that, do we? Should have done that really. Let's try that again. It also might ask you for block content. If it does, that's great. Okay. I wonder if that's a new Google Chrome feature. Let's just try. Because what I want to do is people to actually. Okay, see what happens here. My apologies. That's better. So I think actually it's Internet Explorer those options are for. So when you, sorry to confuse you. So if you go icon and choose one of these icons, that would be great. And it wouldn't be a bad idea just to make it look professional. Okay, to put a little bit of text in there, say fair trade. So what is fair trade? Okay, and let's do the other video. So insert, media, video, browse, video 2, ethical. Let's keep the same look. Press OK. Okay. Okay, make it similar size, and we just copy that text box over. Oh, it's there already. I've done it twice, my silly mistake. Okay, what is ethical trading? Okay, let's move that across. Put that in there like that, and make sure it lines up so it's on the same sort of. There we go. What she also wants, okay, is can you add these links to the following organisations? So let's see what these, how these links. So we copy and paste them, and pop them in there. No. Let's see what happens. It doesn't really work, does it? Okay, so let's maybe do it one by one. So what you can do is bring these a bit like that. Let's get rid of that. So we can just copy and okay. So what you're going to have to do is do it this way. So we're going to do it a long way around. So insert. We're going to write some text first. So let's create a text box. It might work. We do it text. I just suddenly thought. There we go. So create a text box first. Sorry, I think I'm using a newer version of Serif on my laptop. I'm actually not recording this on my laptop. So fairtrade.org.uk, and let's see if we can bring those other ones in quickly. Yes, we can. There we go. So the key is to create a text box first and then do it. There we go. Just need to play around with that a little bit. Okay. Okay, it might create, just need to put in more space. Okay. and we can get all of them on there. Okay, so you could actually move these up. So I'm using the Shift key to highlight them, and just move those up like that. There we go, and then we can make that a little bit better. Okay, so that's Anna's media page. Okay, save that, and let's have a bit of a preview of this and see what happens. So preview page in Google Chrome, preview site, sorry. Okay, go to media, and we've got this one here.
5,000 people.
Okay, and we go to media. Oops, got rid of the site. That's clever. So preview site, go to media. Where's fair trade? Okay. And we've got these links here. Do they work? They don't work, do they? Okay. Probably because we need to create a hyperlink. And I'm going to do this a long way round. Okay, we're going to have to re-add in. Sorry, this is a bit of a pain, isn't it? Re-add those in like that. Okay, same window, no, new window, that's what she wants. We look at what she wants. Okay, it's gone slightly black, so we save that, preview that. Go to media. Media, there we go, that works. So, with the web links, insert them, hyperlink them, and then they will work. So you've got to make sure that you go over them, okay, and then to go over them. So if we just copy that in, because that's the actual URL, right click, hyperlink, site page, no, sorry, internet page, paste, new window, press OK, and they will work a treat. Now, so we've added 2 videos in there, we've added a new page in. What else did she want? Well, she also wanted a sales banner. Okay, and it says, if you've got time, could you add a banner at the top part of the site advertising a sale? Okay, so what I've done for you is on your Z drive, you'll have this folder here. Sorry, this file even. Okay, so if we go back to your Z drive, you'll have sale picture of banner, and if you open that up, what we're going to do is really just create a very quick little banner. The sizes are all perfect. You just really got to put sale in here, and then we're going to make this a picture. So if we put in sale, okay, and this is Draw Plus. This is another family, a family member of the Serif product. Okay, let's make that a little bit bigger. Okay, we're going to put that in the middle, and in fact what I'd like is I'm going to make this text white, and I'm going to make the background red. Okay, sorry, red. Make this red. In fact, I'm going to just really quickly create a box over it, send that to the back, order objects, send to back. So there we go, sale. Don't worry about this blue line, so we've got a nice icon that says sale. In fact, we're going to make that bigger. There we go. So, red background, white writing. What we then do is go File, Export as an image. So this is like more of an image production software. Save it to JPEG. Okay, press Export. Where we're going to put it? We're going to put it in our Z drive. So computer, Z drive, computing AF. I'm going to call it sale banner. Save that. Okay, so we go back to our Z drive. It's actually here now. Oops, it's not there. It is here. Sale banner. It looks very small because it's actually going to go on the top of the website. So we then go back to the website, go back to the master page. This is now going to appear on every page. Go insert picture from file, and that sale banner will be there. Okay, and it's going to be like that. Okay. It's a bit pixelated actually, isn't it? If we make it a bit smaller. Okay. Try that again. So insert picture from file. Okay. So that's our sale banner. And if we preview that, we've got a little sale on. Okay, and what you can do is you can why not hyperlink that, okay, to your products page. So right click, hyperlink, site page, products. Okay, so when we preview the site, sale, clicks there, and then everywhere you go it's got the sale page on it. Oh, sale, there we go. And you might want to put a product that's for sale as well. Okay, final thing is delivery TNT. I use TNT for all my deliveries. Could you add on the delivery page this URL? Okay, which is the TNT tracking part. This is the real one actually. We're just pretending. So we copy that, right click, copy, go back to the web page and the delivery page. Okay, obviously you're going to have delivery instructions in here, and if we do a little thing here, check your delivery status here. Check your delivery, or it's not check, it's track, isn't it? They use a lot on web page. Track your here. So we put a hyperlink, highlight that text, go insert, okay, and hyperlink, which is here, internet page, that one, same window, no, new window. Press OK. Let's check what that looks like. Preview in Google Chrome. Okay, let's go to delivery, track your status here, okay, and then it's got your track and trace. Okay. Okay, so that has got a link on, and that's all that Anna's wants. So what we've done is we created a media page. We've added 2 videos in there. We've added some URLs. I know it was a bit messy, my apologies. We've added in a little banner, and we've also added in a delivery link to TNT. So that pretty much finishes what we're doing for Anna's website. Okay, thanks for listening.